Hello, my dear soul friend. Today we'll guide you through a morning meditation to help you start your day with mental clarity and spiritual balance. First, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Keep your back straight but relaxed. You can close your eyes or leave them slightly open. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Repeat this a few times to prepare your body and mind for the meditation. Now, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feel your belly rise. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe in, imagine you're filling your body with fresh energy and peace. As you breathe out, release any stress or tension. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more calm and centered. Now, bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and slowly moving upwards. Feel your toes, your legs, your hips. Notice and relax each area. With this awareness, feel your entire body relaxing and becoming open to the energy of the day. Now, let's repeat some positive affirmations to start the day with optimism and strength. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, I am calm and centered. Everything is unfolding for my highest good. I feel the strength within me. Positive energy will stay with me all day. Repeat these affirmations at your own pace and feel each word empowering you. Today, I am calm and centered. Everything is unfolding for my highest good. I feel the strength within me. Positive energy will stay with me all day. Now, think about the things in your life you are grateful for. By focusing on what you appreciate today, you strengthen your spiritual connection and bring more positivity into your life. With each breath, feel your sense of gratitude deepening. Take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly. Before opening your eyes, allow yourself to enjoy this moment of peace. When you're ready to start your day, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining this morning meditation. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more guided meditations and personal growth content. Also, let me know in the comments how this meditation made you feel today. I'd love to hear your experiences. Wishing you peace and balance for the rest of your day. Goodbye.